Hi, my name's Katie New. I'm one of the attorneys at the Liker Law Firm. Today I'm going to talk about some options that you have for dealing with your property when you file for bankruptcy. You have three major options. You can choose to surrender your property, reaffirm your debt, or redeem the debt. Each of them have some different advantages and disadvantages. Today I'm going to focus on redemption of property. What redemption is you basically pay off the fair market value. So for example, if you own a vehicle, let's say the loan balance is $15,000. The current fair market value for the vehicle, let's say, is $10,000. So the difference between the loan balance and the fair market value in this case is about $5,000. That's considered unsecured debt, meaning that the creditor is undersecured by $5,000. So the way a redemption works is you would make a lump sum payment of $10,000 to the creditor. You would then file for bankruptcy and list the other $5,000, that difference between the 15 and the 10, in the bankruptcy. Now it's unsecured debt and it's dischargeable and you own your vehicle free and clear. It's sort of a win-win situation if you're able to do this. You get the property free and clear of any encumbrances and the creditor is able to actually then recover some, if not most, of the money. Now, like I said, this is a lump sum payment, so this isn't an option financially for all debtors, particularly if you're talking about amounts like $10,000. There are some things to consider. If this is an option you'd like to pursue, there are lenders, banks, and whatnot that specialize in what are called redemption loans. In some cases, these may be a good choice, depending on the terms of the redemption loan. It may be possible to redeem and have a loan, and though you'll still have a financial obligation to pay, it might be under better terms than your original car loan. Now, when you're doing this, particularly, in a Chapter 7, you are sort of wiping away some of that fresh start. The Chapter 7, you could surrender the car and walk away free and clear. If you choose to redeem the debt, particularly with a redemption loan, you're still going to have an ongoing obligation to pay. So you'll want to make sure that this is something that you can truly afford in the months and years after bankruptcy, whatever the term, of your loan would be. Because it would be a shame to, have the option to walk away from the car free and clear and then face a repossession later. So the biggest thing is if you're choosing a redemption loan, you'll want to make sure you can afford it. In some cases, the creditors will work with you some. Some cases they'll agree, you say it's worth $10,000, they will agree they'll take the $10,000 and you can tell the court that it's a consent motion. In other cases, there may be some pushback. You might say the vehicle's worth $10,000 and the creditor might come back and say, no, it's actually worth 12 or 13. In that case, there are some options and you'd want to talk to your attorney about how to proceed from there. If you still do have questions, please feel free to contact us. We'd love to hear from you.